I literally spend thousands of money on buying skincare. Like, there are so many times you just buy a skincare because the bottle looks cute or the packaging is so attractive, and maybe it's just trending. Like, if you remember the vitamin C trend, everybody was buying that orange bottle from, and so many brands were also producing it because of the demand, because it was just attractive. We never knew what is the benefits of it and if your skin needs it or not. But have we ever stopped to think what we are putting on our skin? There are so many products which contain parabens, sulfate, and synthetic fragrance. These might look harmless, but these can disrupt your hormones, irritate your skin, and cause so many health concerns in the long term. If you remember, I did this 21 days to good skin challenge during COVID times, and I still remember my skin felt so good. I was so happy about my skin. Literally, my sister was also so happy about it. And I received so many messages from a lot of you that it is working for your skin and how these home based ingredients are contributing towards your skin. So, like that, now I've started a journey towards living a sustainable life, and I have recently explored a lot of home based skincare products and tried them for months. So in this video, I'll be sharing 5 DIY home-based skincare products that you can make at home very easily. So first product we are going to make is a face toner. This, you need just one ingredient, which is rice, and you just have to wash the rice 2 to 3 times, and the fourth time you have to keep this water and leave the rice for few hours. After few hours, you just have to sieve the water and you can put it in a jar or a spray bottle. This you can use in 3 different ways. First, you can use it as a toner, like put it on your hands and you can just dab on your face. Second, you can put it as a spray and use as a face mist. Third, you can put a tissue and keep it on your face for like 15-20 minutes and apply as a face mask. This helps to tighten the pores and remove oil from the surface of the skin. So it is very beneficial if you have an oily or a combination skin, and definitely it's suitable for all skin types. And this is a very popular homemade mask and works wonders. The second product we are going to make is a face moisturizer or a body moisturizer, like you can use it on your body or your face. So in this we need 2 ingredients. First is coconut oil and second aloe vera gel. I'll be using this coconut oil. I got it from an organic store. I just got it cold pressed literally in front of my eyes. And the second is aloe vera gel. I'll be making aloe vera gel at home only. I got this aloe vera and I'll just peel it, and now I'll just make a paste of it, and we are going to dilute both coconut oil and aloe vera in equal proportions. First, I'll just warm this coconut oil, and now I'll just add similar quantity of aloe vera paste, and we'll just mix it until it's a firm paste and like it's properly mixed. This you can use as a moisturizer, as the coconut is very good for hydrating your skin as it works like a natural moisturizer, and this aloe vera is a great barrier from the sun damage and works like a sunscreen for your face. I'll also be sharing how you can make a home-based sunscreen in this video, so just watch it till the end to know how to make a sunscreen as well. Third is a face wash. We have been using so many face wash. Like, I have tried so many face wash for my skin, and literally my skin used to be a very like combination skin. Now I have a very dry skin because most of the chemicals that we use on our face, like in the face wash, takes out the actual like the moisture that your skin needs. It also removes that from your skin and makes it very dry when we keep using it for very long term. So I've also used it for like multiple years. I've used chemical face washes which made my skin literally very dry over the time. So I'll be sharing 3 face wash in this video. First is Multani Mitti. It has antibacterial properties which helps to remove the oil and also works for acne. So if you have a oily skin, it will work very good for your skin. Second is yogurt. It is a natural gentle exfoliator for your skin and helps to remove the dirt. Third is besan. It is suitable for all skin types and it works wonders. Literally, if you need an instant boost and glow on your face, you can use this as a face mask as well. I am using it like a face wash every day. You can take a spoon of it and apply on your face and remove it. And if you like want an instant boost, you can apply it as a mask. You can add a little bit of turmeric, and then you can apply it on your face and keep for 15-20 minutes, and then remove it. And I am 100% sure it'll give you a glow and smooth skin, which like instantly. It's a perfect mask if you're going for a function or a very important event. You can apply this mask before going out. Fourth skincare product we are going to make is a sunscreen, and for this you just need one ingredient, which is aloe vera. I would prefer fresh aloe vera. So just take out a peel of aloe vera, and you can get all the gel out of the leaf, and you just have to blend it with water. I am blending it with regular water. For every 1 spoon of aloe vera, you need 10 spoons of water. So it's like a 1:10 ka ratio. And just blend it until it's like a juice, aloe vera juice. And then you can put it in a spray bottle and apply it on your face. It works as a natural skin barrier from the UV rays and works wonders like a sunscreen. But you have to apply it again and again every 2 hours since it's a natural ingredient. Fifth skincare product is under eye cream, and for this you just need one ingredient, which is almond oil. I got a fresh almond oil cold pressed from an organic store. You can take your almonds and you can get an oil extracted from those almonds itself. This almond oil has anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties, helps in removing the dark circles and also under eye puffiness. Almond oil contains vitamin E, vitamin K, and retinol, which helps to smooth your under eyes, which is very delicate without irritating it. So it's a perfect switch from those chemical-based under eye creams to an organic ingredient, which literally work wonders. And I would suggest just apply it in the end of the day so that you can keep it overnight. So it works better if you're like applying on your face and sleeping over it and keeping it for like 12 hours. So it works better. Although, because I won't suggest applying oil and stepping out, because that will attract a lot of dirt and it will like stick to your face. Switching to organic skincare is not just about you, it's about making a conscious choice for your health and the planet. Imagine a world where beauty and wellness goes hand in hand with sustainability and responsibility. Also, for all these products that we made in this video, I would suggest make them fresh if you want the best benefits. All otherwise, you can just keep it like preserve them for a week, make it for a week in one go and preserve it for a week, and you can apply it over the week. You can make it a Sunday activity where you just make all your skincare products and apply it over the week. If you're still here, hi, this is Ashimagi, and I'll be creating a lot of content about conscious fashion and how I've started living a sustainable and organic lifestyle. For more such valuable content, follow me on Instagram and you can subscribe to this channel, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.